Hello and welcome to Relatable Code. My name is Thaer and I will show you code that anyone can relate to. You don't need any prior programming knowledge because you will see a lot of real-world examples and you're going to love it. So what is programming? In simple terms, programming is like giving a computer a set of instructions. You can think of it like creating a recipe or a step-by-step guide for the computer to follow. Just as you'd follow a recipe step by step to bake a cake, for example, a computer follows a program step by step to execute a certain task. And this task can be as simple as calculating the sum of two numbers, or it can be as complex as creating a mobile app or a website. We're going to start our journey with Kotlin. Kotlin is a very simple to learn programming language, yet it's powerful enough to build just about anything. From mobile applications to server-side applications, it's amazing. It has a very clear and concise syntax, which means you can write very few lines of code to execute certain tasks. And the best of all, it's fully supported by Google to build Android applications. So if you're looking forward to build Android applications, I strongly recommend you to learn Kotlin. We're going to use the IntelliJ IDE for the Kotlin part of this tutorial. IntelliJ is a very popular IDE that's created by JetBrains, the same company that created Kotlin. Okay, and this IDE is very powerful. It has a lot of built-in tools for running and debugging your Kotlin code. It supports code inspection, code completion, and it has a free version, the Community Edition, which we will use for the tutorial. In the following video, we will dive into the basics of Kotlin with variables and data types. So I hope you're excited for this journey, and I'll see you in the next video.